G'day and welcome back to the workshop. So today we're going to actually do a little bit of a review and a bit of a test on our doorbell camera security system. Now the beauty is I love being down here in the shed, working away, doing what I need to do, but if someone arrives at the front door in the house way up at the other end of the block, I have no idea they're here at all. Totally oblivious, and I keep working away. Most importantly is if someone's delivering a package that I'm waiting on, they don't leave the package behind and I've got to drive all the way into town, go pick it up at their convenient time. It's just, I hate it. It's so frustrating. So what's really cool is that Reolink have sent me a video doorbell security system that has full alerts on it. It's going to be brilliant. Well, I hope it is anyway. So let's unbox it, let's install it and give it a bit of a test over the next few weeks and see how the whole system works. Let's go chuck it on. Righto, now as far as installation goes with this, mate, it cannot get any easier than this. Now I've opted to run for the battery system, which means I don't have to run any wiring. It just charges up, plug it straight in, connect it straight to your phone, and now I have full access, full visibility to anyone that comes to the door. So what a cracker little unit. Now we have held an old unit here before, so this is a major upgrade to what they had previously in their first model. This one, well, it is so much better in many ways. But one of the really cool features I like, because there's always a concern that, hey, this is just stuck on the front here. If someone's gonna break in, steal your packages, they could just come and rip this off and do a runner. Well, let me show you this.
Thought someone was here. Do that again.
How cool is that? An anti-tamper alarm. So if someone tries to steal your camera, well, sets off an alarm. It sends a notification to my phone as well. And as you saw, it brings people straight to the front door to see what's going on. So couldn't have worked any better as a demonstration. But let's talk about some of the other really cool features that this Reolink version 2 has over version 1. I tell you what, the improved video quality is insane. Now, high quality, 2K, fully downloadable, so you can download it from your phone. You can send it to anyone you want straight away if you've got any type of concerns, or you can send it straight to your own email if you want to have a record of it later. You can save it to the cloud, so you can have full video protection, and you can keep that footage forever if you like. It's also got improved detection accuracy, cars, parcels, people, full head to toe, awesome. Continuous recording, you can set it up so you can do continuous recording or you can do movement recording, however you like. It's got a whole lot of features. You can go all through your app. Heaps to choose from, lots of settings, which is absolutely brilliant. You can change the lighting, you can mask out different things you don't want things to, you can mask different areas out. You can even mask your own voice, so a bit of a privacy thing. If you're in a meeting or somewhere that you can't actually access it, you can see something's going on, pre-recorded messages. Hit the message, it'll play straight to the front door.
Hi there, I'm a bit tied up right now. Feel free to leave a message.
Hi, please leave the package at the door. We'll get it later.
Really insist. Please leave the package at the door. We'll take it from here.
One of the coolest features with this is the battery life. Now the old one had an incredible battery life, probably easy 6 months. Now this one has an over 10-month battery life. That's amazing, absolutely incredible. Now you can have dual power supply, so I'm running off battery, but you can wire this thing in so it never ever goes flat. So you've got the option there as well. Infrared night vision, picks up people, you can see their whole face, all that sort of stuff. Doesn't matter how dark it is, this thing still records and catches all the detail you need. So it really doesn't matter where I am, anywhere in the world, as long as I've got mobile coverage or Wi-Fi, I can check whoever comes into my front door and make sure that everything's okay, or I can directly talk to them and have a conversation with them straight through my phone. That is so cool. Now the coolest thing about this whole doorbell video camera system that you can monitor anywhere in the world at any moment is, wait for it, there's no subscription. That's right, 0. So that means if you need to access any of your information at any time, it's yours. Why should you have to pay to access it? No subscription, which is absolutely ridiculous, which some of the other companies do. So that's what I love about the Reolink systems. 0 subscription, buy the unit, plug it in, put it into your app, done. On top of that, full 2-year warranty. Now they really cover their products. That's how much they back them, which is really cool. Now, if you're keen on one of these new products for your place to secure it, to make sure you're monitoring everything with no subscription, no catches, jump on the link down below, check out what Reolink have on offer, and I can guarantee you will not be disappointed. Anyway, hopefully you've enjoyed this video as far as a bit of a review and what the products have to offer. And like I said, if you're keen, check it out. And until next time, take care of yourselves.